the MSC Seashore. This is room 10275. Let's see. Hey, can let me in. So the first thing that I want you to notice is that for MSC, yes, it is, the lights are activated by your card, and it has to be a room card. MSC does not allow you to fool them and put a credit card or any other card. It has to be your room card. On the back of the door, of course, you're going to have your map of the ship. It's going to have your muster station, all of that detail. I do like the fact that they have your 3 hooks here. As you can see, we're in an adjoining room, and so to kind of mask that for us, we went ahead and used our shoe organizer that we talk about in all of our videos to help with organization. Once you come in, you are going to have your bathroom to your right. And it's just a standard bathroom. Got your toilet. They actually have the tub and shower combination. Not quite sure how you feel about that, or for those who may have mobility issues, but that's what they do. Of course, you're going to have your adjustable shower head. You're going to have your shampoo and your shower gel that's going to be supplied for you. They will give you towels. And then, of course, you're going to have your mirror. And I will say, ladies, that I do appreciate the mirror setup in here. It was really nice. The lighting was well done. I even like how they had the seat angle so the water goes down. It doesn't splash up on you. So I did appreciate that as well. It's the little things. They do have the magnifying mirror for you to do your makeup. Nice shelving. As you can see, we've been in for a little bit. You do have your trash can. And then some extra storage behind your hand towel. All right. So I don't know, but if you know, the MSC is all about environmental. And so this is the first cruise line that I've been on. I don't know if you can see that, but they have your trash split up for you to where there's plastic, there's paper, and there's food. So they can easily recycle for you. As you can see, there are some shelves on the side here of your vanity. There are also some shelves at the top. This is your part of your mini bar. Use at your own risk. They do have pops and waters, sparkling water. Over here to your right. So here's your thermostat. Of course, it's the regular warm if you want it warm, cool if you want it cool. But I do think that they have it preset because no matter what temperature we set it on, it somehow found its way back to the same temperature setting. But if you come in, you can see we have a balcony. We love balcony. We're currently out at sea. Beautiful scenery. So you have your standard mirror. Hey, y'all. This is your mini bar. That's stocked with, so many things, some juice. They do have a receipt where you can mark off what you've used, and they will replenish this every day. Drawer, the seating, in case you want to sit here and want to do some work, or if you want to use this area for makeup. But just the standard vanity area, I really like it. It was comfortable, it was useful. You have drawers, 3 sets here that are self-closing. You turn around, you have your couch area. This one does not pull out into a bed, but it was comfortable enough to watch some TV. Of course, you have your standard safe. They have some shelving, some extra things that stock for the next cruise. More drawers. And then if you had hanging things, the other side of the closet was for hanging. They had plenty of hangers. Nice little shelf here at the bottom. Cubby hole at the bottom if you want to put some shoes or your beach bag, dirty clothes bag.
telephone if you need to call out. So I will say the MSC was a little lacking on the outlets. So I don't know, they have 2 standard American outlets. They had a couple of UVs. For us, we brought our own extra power outlet pack so we could make sure we had everything charged for our cameras, microphones, phones, all of that. This is just standard light switch for the room. You know, nice size TV. I will say that there wasn't much to watch on TV, so we didn't use it that much. So yeah, so they have a nice full-length mirror across from the bed. You can use that for however you want to use it. But I will say that it had nice lighting to check yourself before you go out. Standard bed, we got the king size bed. And what I will say about MSC is that they automatically put the mattress topper on there. So you don't have that great divide that you may have at other cruise lines when they put the 2 twin beds together. Never felt it. It was wonderful. So you do have some side tables here. Just enough for you to put your phone, something to drink, maybe your tablet. They gave you some cubby holes. I had a bottle of water that I stashed there the other night. Standard light switches. And then one is for reading light. This light actually controls all the lights. But that's about it. What I will say was a miss is that they only put a USB charging port on one side of the bed. And I'm not quite sure why they did that or what the logic was. But on this side, they did give you a USB. But still the same standard bed lights over here as well. And then the cherry on top, of course, is the balcony. I will say that the balcony, we've had bigger, but it was sufficient. So you still get your standard 2 chairs, you get your footrest out here. And of course, the amazing view. Nothing beats this. All right, y'all. So that is going to be our standard room tour here on the MSC Seashore Room 10275. We'll catch you next time.